Hello viewers, I'm Priyanka. Once again we have dignitary in the field of finance, business and entrepreneurship in Northeast. We have Shri Partha Roy Chaudhary sir, who is the Principal Commissioner of GST Guwahati office. So we have some queries which we think that it will help you. So first of all sir, please let us know how this implementation of GST has progressed in Guwahati since its inception.
See, initially when it started, I would rather give you a revenue picture that will explain whether there has been a proper growth or not. In 17-18, the revenue was around 1800 CR, whereas in the last year, that is 23-24, it is nearly 5500 CR. So you can imagine the growth. So we can definitely say that the growth has taken a good pace in Guwahati.
So, like how it has impacted the businesses in Guwahati, and I want to know the overall impact.
See, the overall impact is that again it has been a very, very positive outcome since the flow of taxation and movement of goods has been seamless throughout the country. So Guwahati has also got its share. For example, in 17-18, the SSC base with Central GST was 37,000 only. And today it is, you would believe, nearly 75,000. So it has doubled. So that shows that there has been a good business atmosphere and good outcome, and there has been economic growth.
Are there any sector-specific provisions or benefits that businesses should be aware of?
Yeah, I mean some special sectors in Guwahati zone, Guwahati commissioner, it is there, like the pan masala area. Those are paying a good contribution to the and of course another sector is cement sector. That is also contributing in a large way in the development, growth as well as in revenue. And of course pan masala has got some separate provisions also for them, just made for them, like that. Like tobacco, tobacco has a special cess. So like that.
Sir, I would like to know that are there any compliance issues that businesses in Guwahati are facing?
Compliance issues from the taxpayers we are facing many times, that many cases that they are paying the tax monthly but filing the return late or quarterly basis. So that is one part. And another compliance issue, I won't say compliance, I would love to call it a fraud itself. That is the fake registrations. Some of the unscrupulous fellows are taking fake registrations, then issuing fake invoices without sending the goods. They are just transferring the credit. So this is a very, very important area which is harming our economy very largely.
So I would like to know that what your office gives support or resources to the businesses for filing GST for themselves.
See, we have in this office on the first floor there is a GST Seva Kendra, and our officers are posted there. Anybody, not only filing the returns or something, any problem, any complexity they are having, they can straightway come there. Either it will be solved there, or if it is more specific, he will be sent to the proper place, proper section, and that is what it is. But yes, we have got our limitations so far as system problems are involved, that is computer based. System related issues often we are not able to solve at this place. We have to raise tickets, and taxpayers also can raise tickets with GSTN, and their problems are then sorted out or taken care of by the system's wing.
So, what is an audit report and what the businesses should do to prepare the audit?
See, audit, we in the CGST we have a system of one audit commissioner. It is there, and they are doing the audits depending on the size of the companies. Like certain companies which are huge, they are sometimes mandatory to be audited once a year. Some, depending on their revenue and turnover, they are say once in 2 years, or some are in once in 5 years. Like very small units are, like that, once in 5 years. So they are basically the documentation, the working pattern, tax returns, the system in which they are working, that is seen. And if there is any, you can say that tax dues are detected, that is pointed out and collected if the SEC agrees, or otherwise there is the normal, you can say, whenever, if everything is found right and correct, then there is no issues, then the clean audit report is given. And of course, if there is any systemic problem, that is also pointed out, that they should rectify here or rectify there, so that they get a guidance also.
So, has there been any recent changes in the GST rates that businesses need to be aware of?
See, whenever there is a budget, there is obvious that there is some or other changes, and those things are notified, and our office even issues trade notice on that, and it is generally available in trade parlance. People know it. Whoever is dealing with a certain commodity or certain business, certain service, any major changes, they are all aware of. Like very recently, that there was a claim for taking ITC under rules section 16(4). Now it has been allowed up to November 21. So this is a big change which people are waiting for, very much eager. So they have got it. So people are aware generally.
So, are there any exemptions for Northeast business regarding GST filing and all this?
See, per se GST filing there is no exemption, but government has given a lot of exemption promotion schemes for the business of Northeast in various manners. Like there were schemes like BSS refund, then there was needs. Very recent and latest is that Unnati scheme which is coming. So these schemes, the Unnati scheme is very nice, and people can avail this. And even now we are regularly giving this BSS refund. The State Industry Department, I think they are giving that needs refund. So a lot of impetus has come. And as a result, you see that so many industries also have come up and moved up to Northeast. They were earlier functioning in the plains. Now they are more interested to come here and gradually coming here also. That is again seen by the growth in the number of taxpayers.
So, how has been the GST portal effective for the businesses here?
GST Portal is, it's an open forum, and the taxpayers, whenever they are facing any problem, they can raise their tickets at the portal, and the solution comes. So it is effective. Of course, some cases there are where there is just very difficult technical glitch or something. It takes time, but gets solved.
How your office is helping the MSMEs so far?
For the MSMEs, what to say, that there is a you know that in the GST, have you any idea about the return, GST return or something? There is a return, a part is GSTR 1 and GSTR 2B, that is buying and selling. This data is there. Now if suppose I am a buyer, I buy from you, after taking the goods, I cannot take credit unless and until you are reflecting that in your to be your GSTR 1 or myself, otherwise vice versa, right? So the relation between buyer and seller is very important in case of business and getting GST credit. So there has been in the portal, there has been for the MSMEs, there has been a rating scale of 1 to 10. Like if somebody is very reliable, he is getting a very high thing. It's like performance report, that it is just within a scale of 1 to 10 it is done. The credibility becomes like that civil and all these things. The credibility, credibility will come up, and then the buyer or seller will be, knowing that with what kind of businessman he is going to do work, what kind of businessman he is going to take having transactions, whether he will have any credit related problem or not. So, and if this is mostly used by the maximum way it is given importance, then the whole business community will try to do maintain a high score for the credibility, because this will bring their growth in the business also. Because every buyer will try to go to a seller to such a seller that who is credible, and every seller will also try to reach to the customers more and more if his credibility is growing. That is how these are interrelated.
Thank you so much, sir, for all the answers, and we are sure our viewers will be benefited, as I said already. And of course, more and more people should come and take help from this office. We expect it, and we expect our viewers to learn from you as well. Thank you again.